hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
What else do you want to tell her?
Pedal.
Tell her what you did today?
Pedal.
What did you do today?
Book.
What did you do today?
Book. Book.
Aaliyah's book? Aaliyah read the grandma book to you?
Yeah.
You like that book?
Yeah.
Grandma gave you that book. Did you know that? Yeah? Oh. Okay. Say hi to Grandma again.
I come again.
You want to say anything else? You want to take a bow? Say goodbye?
Goodbye, I say, I say, it's fine, it's sweet, it's fine,
Are you going to be a good boy now?
What?
Are you going to be a good boy now?
Yeah.
You're no more poo-poo in your pull-up, right?
Yeah. Why? Look, I'm yellow to a apple.
Yeah. Not in your underwear and not in your diaper.
But
Where should you poo-poo?
ants.
Where should you poo-poo? On the toilet? Okay. Say goodbye.
No, talk.
Or you want to keep talking?
Yeah.
Okay, what else do you want to say?
Puzzle.
Cover. Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye. No, please. That's great.
Okay, we're all done.
It's
Can you do a little dance for Grandma?
yeah.
Party rockin'? Party rockin'. Can you shake it? Let me see you shake it. Shake it.
Shake it. No, the
Shake
song. I don't know whose song to do it.
We'll do it. We'll do it in a minute. Okay, say bye.
Bye.